Hey, Happy New Year from Big B's Garage. Thank you very much for checking out the video. 2025 is going to be a new year for me too. And I'm going to get back on my projects again. I officially retired last year and I've been busy getting my garage fixed up for basically working year round in this thing so I don't get chased out when it's too hot or too cold, too rainy, too sunny, whatever, too buggy. You work in the summertime, it's hot and you got the doors open, the bugs come in and they chase you out. And whatever, all these excuses gone. There's no excuse left. It is absolutely beautiful in this place now. You can see by the look, I guess I got a lot of stuff to clean up and stuff like that. There's Myriad behind me. I'm busy working on the steering right now. When I put that Dana 44 in the front, it was basically, the 44 is really made the way it was set up to be a spring over, and I'm doing it as a spring under. And the biggest problem I've ever had with this thing is the tie rod where it goes across would hit the pitman arm. So you put a shorter pitman arm and then just the steering, the geometry of the steering changes the way the steering feel is on the road. It felt like really loose. It felt like the Jeep was never worked on. I mean, worse than that. I mean, 35 miles an hour, you couldn't even throw the wheel and catch it. You just couldn't, you couldn't do anything with the thing. You just basically had to drive less than 35 miles an hour and take it easy. And hopefully that won't be the case anymore. But let's have a look. This is the PSC box attached to the 1-inch forward Mountain Off-Road Engineering bracket. You see where the relationship is between the box and the bracket. The new one going in is going to be a gold one. So just to show you around a little bit, I decided to put a seating area in my garage, a little decor going on. Big screen TV. I'm using the wood burning stove as my TV stand. And there's a replica of my grandfather's bar sign that he used to have in his house. And I still have a lot of cleaning up to do. I put my air compressor under my workbench and ran permanent air lines, and some part storage here. Hopefully after the Jeep and the Trans Am were put together, a lot of that stuff's not going to be there anymore. And it's quite cool. I enjoy it. Myriad likes it in here. I'm tired of working. I got the mood lights. So this is kind of cool. I got a lot of cleanup to do. But nonetheless, at least the garage is insulated and sealed off. That's a truss core ceiling. I will never put one of them in again. I do love those pump jacks for the wheels. Those are kind of cool. And it's a really cool place to hang. It's a really cool place to work on my Jeep now. And I got my Pontiac clock from Second Gen Graveyard. He had a nice sale going on for Christmas time. Check the link in the description. And it's pretty cool. So anyway, I'm gonna continue working my Jeep, get that thing done. When it's finished, it will be painted sunshine orange. If you could recall a Subaru that's orange, like say on a Crosstrek, that's exactly what the color of this Jeep is gonna be. So it's gonna be a orange grille, orange hood, orange body. The outer portions of the fenders will be black, just like the back one is right now, along with the rock slider. Unfortunately, Metal Cloak does not put black. They don't make the fenders. Well, that's about it for now at Big B Garage. Stay tuned. I will get back to work on Myriad and Icarus. And we also have Daedalus, which is my 2023 Gladiator. And there's Lizzie, which is my wife's pride and joy, her little trail machine. It's a 2019 Wrangler S with a bunch of goodies on it. So I'll post video on that too in the future. Anyway, Happy New Year.